Hey guys, today I'm going to introduce you how to plug the CarPlay box correctly. First of all, make sure there are two adapters. So one is dual Type-C, the other one is Type-B to Type-C. Please make sure that you are plugging them to the original car adapter. Then make sure they are plugged very tightly. Then focus on the light shine status. You can also replace to use better connection wire, which should support the date transform. Focus on the light shining status. After that, your box was trimmed successfully.